Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
BBC News Business.
July 19th. 11:08 America, New York. Royal Mail workers to go on strike over pay. More than 115,000 Royal Mail workers will walk out after members backed strike action on Tuesday.
BBC News Business.
July 19th. 11:03 America, New York. Netflix expands plans to charge for shared accounts. The streaming service is looking for new ways to make money as growth slows.
New York Times Business.
July 19th, 10:46 America, New York. Hey, is anybody watching the Interns? School is out for the summer, but in some cases, so are the bosses. Hamna Tariq, right, with other research fellows Vrinda Batra, Center, and Elaine Zhang at work in the offices of the Atlantic Council in Washington, D.C.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 19th. 10:28 America, New York. Residential construction slips for second straight month. Housing starts fell 2% last month as interest rates climbed and a global housing boom faded.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 19th. 10:23 America, New York. Big Tech's margin for error has shrunk. Apple, Microsoft and Google pare back hiring plans as slowing growth puts focus on maintaining margins.
New York Times Business.
July 19th, 10:03 America, New York. Amazon sues leaders of more than 10,000 Facebook groups it says churn out fake reviews. The e-commerce site said the groups targeted its sites in the United States, Britain, France, Germany, Italy, Spain and Japan.
Daily FX Market News.
July 19th. 9:33 America, New York. DAX, Dow and FTSE move higher despite a dent in optimism. Indices turn higher as corporate earnings season gets into full flow. The Library of Economics and Liberty. July 19th. 9:29 America, New York. Socialists' claims about capitalism 3. Behavioral economists have proven that humans are irrational. All market economics is predicated on two assumptions that are false. Humans are rational economic actors.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 19th, 9:26 America, New York. Boeing sells 5 787 Dreamliners to aircraft lessor in airshow boost. Boeing sold 5 more 787 Dreamliners to aircraft leasing company AerCap, its largest buyer for the wide-body jet. Armstrong Economics.
July 19th. 9:19 America, New York. Private blog. China and Japan dumping U.S. bonds, prelude to war? Private blog. China and AMP. Japan dumping U.S. bonds, prelude to war? Private blog posts are exclusively available to Socrates subscribers. To sign up for Socrates or to learn more, please visit ask-socrates.com.
Global Economy.
July 19th. 9:16 America, New York. The dollar sits atop a global monetary order shaken by sanctions. Countries tend to hold certain currencies as reserve assets mostly for economic, not geopolitical, reasons.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
July 19th. 9:16 America, New York. Supply chain challenges weigh on Lockheed Martin sales. Lockheed Martin said workforce and supply chain kinks threaten to linger into 2023. Global Economy. July 19th. 9:09 America, New York. Investors cut equity allocations to lowest level since Lehman collapse. Fund managers reach dire level of pessimism over economic outlook, Bank of America survey shows.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 19th. 9 o'clock America, New York. CFPB to push banks to refund more victims of scams on Zelle. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau agency has reported an uptick in complaints, but banks warn that heightened regulations could hurt the economy.
New York Times Business.
July 19th. 9 o'clock America, New York. As baby boomers age, developers explore housing options for them. Shifting demographics are reshaping complexes built for older Americans, who are looking for a variety of rates and services. Coterie Cathedral Hill, a 208-unit complex in San Francisco for older Americans, during a Bastille Day celebration this month.
BBC News Business.
July 19th. 8:38 America, New York. Refueling staff to stage 3-day strike at Heathrow. Workers employed by aviation fuel services will walk out on Thursday and down tools until Sunday.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
July 19th. 837 America New York, Great Moments in Industrial Policy. Newfoundland edition. Before he could find that economic wizard, Joey Smallwood, first Premier of Newfoundland, which became a Canadian province in 1949, made his first investment alone on Christmas Eve 1949 when four wise men appeared from the east, or so they appeared to the Premier.
Wall Street Journal Markets.
July 19. 801 America New York. India's education tech bubble goes pop. Providers will need to focus more on traditional bricks and mortar tutoring, test prep and professional training until funders return.
Daily FX Market News.
July 19. 8 o'clock America New York, South African Rand Price Forecast. ZAR prepares for SAW inflation, SARB and PBOC rate decisions. The Rand has a big week ahead with the SAW inflation and the SARB rate decision dominating headlines while USD, ZAR bears test R17 dollar.
Global economy.
July 19. 7:26 America New York, IMF warns of sharp European economic hit from Russian gas embargo. Eastern Europe and Italy would suffer serious recessions unless countries pool resources.
Daily FX Market News.
July 19. 6:30 America New York, USD, JPY divergence hints at deeper pullback ahead of BOJ, FOMC. The Japanese yen continues to claw back some lost ground versus the dollar as we await the BOJ quarterly outlook report and much anticipated FOMC rate decision next week.